Away they go for the 8th and last race of the day, which is the Aladancer Handicap Division 2. Losing the kick by about a length was Lugano, but as they sort themselves out, BERGAMOT in the claret and gold is the leader. By about a length in front of Novikov quickly on the outside. A length and a half away, there's Artificial. Not too far away, Artificial. Then we go back to Praise a Gaze on the outside is Diamond Harbour in the gold and brown jacket. A length away, there's Jorel on the inside is Rolly Polly in the center. Lugano making a forward move. Not too far away on the outside, there is Dancing Prince. Another length and a half away, there's Airlift along with Shania Spet. They're going past the 600-meter marker back to the leader, and it's BERGAMOT by about a half a length in front of. On the outside is Novikov. A length and a half away, there's Artificial. Then comes Praise a Gaze. Tangaluma as the heads turn firm. Round the turn into the straight, BERGAMOT comes in on first by about a length and a half in front of Novikov is in chase. Another length and a half, 2 lengths away. There we go back to Praise a Gaze. Then comes Lugano, but BERGAMOT about 2 lengths in front of Novikov. Then comes Praise a Gaze. On the inside is Artificial, but in the outer line, and it's BERGAMOT is about 2.5, 3 lengths in front of Novikov and Praise a Gaze, but it's going to be all BERGAMOT winning this one impressively from Novikov. Finishes ahead of Praise a Gaze. Then came Artificial, then came Airlift, then came Lugano, Dancing Prince, then came Jorel, Diamond Harbour, Tangaluma. Second last, Shania Spet, last of all, Rolly Polly.